All right, welcome back. You're still watching Closing Trades right here on ET Now. In an interview with Reuters, Finance Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram has called for RBI to take calibrated risks to support the struggling economy. He also said that the government is committed to fiscal correction and that India does not deserve a ratings downgrade.
While the government has taken and will take a number of fiscal measures, that these measures will encourage the RBI also to take some, what I call calibrated risks. So let's see. I think there are some more reforms required in the non-life insurance sector, in the pension sector, in the capital market, in non-bank financial companies, mutual funds, foreign institutional investors. I've met with all of them. They've given me a list of requests. These are under examination. And as we examine them, corrective measures or facilitating measures will be announced. Growth is a function of investment. There are other factors, but primarily growth is a function of investment, domestic investment and foreign investment. Once the investment flows start again, growth will happen. Yes, growth will happen after a time lag, 3 months or 6 months or 9 months. But once the investment flows begin to take place and the pipeline projects are being implemented, and I think people will get the message that the growth engine has started rolling again. We have cleared all pending proposals before the Foreign Investment Promotion Board. And I think a lot of cases have come through the automatic route, where they simply have to inform the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, after they've brought in the money. Five Eyes had brought in this calendar year $20 billion, out of which $15 billion was in equity. So I think the investment flows have started, or restarted, if I may say. There may not be a copious flow yet, but I think they've restarted. Officials have met with S&P and other rating agencies, and I think we have explained to them the things that we are doing, that India does not deserve a downgrade. India's potential for growth and actual growth, on these two parameters, India is way above the rest of the world, barring 1 or 2 countries. Our actual growth and our potential for growth is way above advanced countries and the rest of the world. So I don't think we deserve a downgrade. And I'm sure when S&P makes a overall assessment of all that has been done since the last time it offered a rating, I think S&P will agree with our conclusion that India does not deserve a downgrade at all. If at all, India needs to be upgraded and the outlook be turned into positive.